Okay, boys and girls, this time when we are doing our adding 3 add-ins, this is the first day that you get to circle the numbers that make the most sense to you to add. So look at number 1. We have 5, 4, and 4. So it makes the most sense to do 4 plus 4 because those are doubles. That's 8. Then I bring the 5 down, and now use your number line to find the answer to 8 plus 5. That answer is what? That's 13. Good. Okay, let's look at the next problem. 4 plus 2 plus 7. Which two numbers do you want to add together? Let's do 2 plus 7. That is 9. I bring the 4 down, and now I have 4 plus 9. So if we had 4 plus 10, it would be 14, but we have a 9, so 1 less is 13. Good. Okay. Let's do the number 3. What two numbers do you think we should circle? Should we do 2 and 6 or 6 and 3? What do you think? Let's do 2 and 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. And then if I bring the 3 down, 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. That answer is 11. All right. 8 plus 4 plus 5. Let's do 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. I bring the 8 down. 8 plus 10 would be 18, so 1 less is 17. So I want you to push pause here because I think you've had a lot of practice this week, and I think you can try 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 on your own. When you're done, press play, and then we can correct it together. Okay, so hopefully you gave this a try. So we're going to circle these ones and then put the 3, so the answer is 13. If you have something to fix, push pause and fix it, and then push play to go on to the next one. Okay, so here we would circle 9 and 1. That's 10. Bring down the 4. The answer is 14. Again, if you have something to correct, go ahead and fix it. That's what the erasers are for. Here, let's do 6 and 4. That's 10. If I bring the 7 down, the answer is 17. Here we're going to circle 3 and 2. That answer is 5. Bring down the 9, and the answer here is 14. Okay, a couple more. 5 and 3. That is 8 plus 2. And I see that those are 10 friends, so I'm going to put 10. All right, last one. Hopefully you circled 6 and 4 because that's 10. Plus 5 more is 15. Good job, boys and girls. Can you believe that you're able to add 3 numbers together? That's really, really awesome. You're doing a great job. Let's turn it over to the back and see what we're adding here. So again, these are just plus 1 numbers. And so all you have to do is look at the biggest number and then just write whatever number comes next on the number line. And even though it seems like a lot of equations, it's going to go by quickly. So like here, the number after 11 is 12. The number after 16 is 17. And just keep going around the outside and then do the numbers on the inside.